So, hello everyone. So, I'm back again. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. I am also doing good, right? And I'm feeling very damn excited to take our first step toward our journey with the Python, right? So, in this we are going to install Python in our system, right? Uh, without wasting any further time, let's get into the screen. So, here we are in our browser, right? And in this, we just have to type python.org, and this will get into the homepage of the official homepage of Python, right? So here we just have to press on the downloads, and here we guys can see Python, Linux, Macs, Android, and other stuff, right? And because I am working on the Windows operating systems, and maybe you guys are using Linux, Macs, and other, but because I am using Windows, so I will go with the Windows, right? And here you guys can see there are too many options, and I would say versions of Python, right? So here I will go with the Windows installer 64-bit, right? And I am choosing this because I will tell you in the further video site. And here you guys can see there is another Windows installer 32-bit. Maybe you guys know what's the difference between 64 and 32. I will let you know in further videos, right? For now, all good. So let's download this stuff. I will, sorry, version and set, and the rest of the work will done in the Chrome, right? So here it is downloads. Let's install this. Okay, just run it. Let's see. Install Python. This use admin privilege when installing power test this that. Okay, it's your call. This is taking little bit time, and we have to just be little bit patient for this, right? Setup in progress. Let's see. And this is the genuine process by which you guys can install Python in our system, right? And almost there, it is almost there. Bootstrap, it is almost there. Let's see. Some here we are. So now you guys can see on the screen we have VS Code, right? So firstly we are going to create a I would say folder. So in this folder we will name it basics, right? Basics 01, right? And let's make a file on that main.py. And one more thing, every file that we create on the VS Code, we will use .py as an extension, right? Because in Python file works on this manner, right? It's damn simple. Just press the enter, and let's code our first hello world, right? So it's like, sorry, oh, I have forgot one thing. Before we do anything, we have to install an extra extension that is necessary to compile our Python code. So for that, just press just type Python here, and here we got Python, and just install this, and we are ready to go. And you guys can see the Python debugger, Python environment got installed automatically. So this is how it works. Okay, fine. Let's get to the work. We have here, and print hello Anand, and you guys can write here your name, right? And here we are going to print our first code, and here it is hello Anand, right? So it's damn simple, right? Okay, fine. In the for this video, it's all good, and let's see on the next video. and don't lose your excitement, and try to feel everything, every quote, word to word, and every line, because this is all what we are here, right? So share and care. Bye bye.